The new 10K a month online business is selling your skills, right? Guys, I have completely changed my life. I went from working a 9 to 5 job back in the UK to now living here in Dubai, financially free, retired my wife, got a swimming pool on my balcony, and now I am happy. Now I am living the life I've always dreamed of. And all I did was sell my skills. Guys, it is the best business model that any of you guys can do. You guys can probably see the backdrop behind me, right? And how nice the views are from my balcony. Guys, these are things I used to visualize. These are things that I used to want. And now I am living my dreams. I am now financially free. Life is easy. Life is comfortable. And I am now living in the greatest city in the world, which is Dubai. And guys, this wasn't always like this for me, right? I used to work a 9 to 5 job in the UK. I used to work for someone else. I used to make around £2,000 a month, which is crazy because now I make well over 6 figures a year. But not only do I make a lot of money, I actually have freedom, right? I'm not tied down to one geographical location. I get to work where and when I want, and I get to live where I want, right? That's the ultimate freedom. And I don't need to take leave to, go to another country. If I want to go to vacation to another country, I just take my laptop with me, right? Because my business is all online. Guys, this is the new 10K a month online business that people are doing, and it will completely change your life. And I'm going to break it down in this video and give you guys a full blueprint on how you can start one of these business models, right? Now, I like to call this business the One Skill Consulting business, right? And the reason I call it the One Skill Consulting business is because all you need is one skill. No, you don't need 10 skills. No, you don't need 100 skills, right? You simply just need one skill that you're gonna sell, okay? And you're gonna sell these skills for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, upwards of even $10,000, right? Again, it depends on your skill, depends on your niche, and it depends who you're targeting. But let me give you an example, right? Let's say, for argument's sake, you charge $5,000 for your skill. Well, you only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. Now, you guys tell me, just from listening to that, do you think that's difficult to get? Do you think it's difficult to get 2 people, only 2 people, to sign up to your program? No, it's not difficult. In fact, it is extremely easy, right? And I'm going to break down the blueprint and how you guys can do it. Now, just before I continue, if you guys do need any help where you can work with me on a one-to-one basis and I can scale you to over 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, very, very simple business, okay? All you have to do now is find one skill that you're good at. Now, if you're struggling with this because a lot of people feel like they don't have skills, which is bullshit, by the way, because everyone has a skill, okay? Doesn't matter how long you've been alive for. I've got a 16-year-old client who's got a skill and he's making around $5,000 a month, right? I've got a 21-year-old client that's making around $25,000 a month. So you've all got a skill, right? Doesn't matter what age you are. And it also doesn't really matter what skill you have as well, right? And it doesn't matter how good you are at that skill, as long as you're a few steps ahead of the people you're going to be teaching. Now, let me give you an example, right? There's a woman teaching people how to knit, okay? Now, me and you can agree, knitting is not a high-level skill, yet she's making just under $20,000 a month teaching people how to knit. Guys, it is extremely, extremely easy to make money online in 2026. So, find a skill that you're good at. Again, if you're still struggling with this, find out what people ask you to do the most, okay? That's kind of generally how you can find out what skill you're good at. And if you're still struggling after that, write down 10 skills that you are good at and then kind of pick one that makes the most sense for you to actually use, okay? Now, step 2, all you have to do is now create an offer. Okay, you've got your skill. What are you going to charge? Now, you need to know what you're going to charge, and it should be high ticket. It shouldn't be like $100 or $200 or $500. Guys, don't even entertain these prices for yourself, right? You're worth much more, and trust me, people will pay you much more. So, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, around that price point is what you should be charging, okay? Now, again, it depends on the skill, it depends on who you're targeting. For example, if you're targeting people that are making a lot of money, well, yeah, you can charge probably about $4,000 or $5,000. If you're targeting people that don't have a lot of money, well, you can charge around $2,000, maybe $3,000, right? But the point is, you shouldn't be anywhere lower than $2,000, okay? Now, once you know your price, you need to know your target audience, who you're targeting, and you need to know what problems to solve in that niche, okay? Now, the third step, right, is that you need to create a personal brand. This, in my opinion, is non-negotiable. You can technically do it faceless, right? And it has worked for people and they've managed to make a lot of money from it. But the point I'm trying to make is, if you do it faceless, you're making things so much harder for yourself, right? Guys, people buy people. People don't just buy programs. People don't just buy things. People buy people. the reason why you're going to be selling a lot of these programs and the reason why you're going to be making a lot of money is because people are going to buy you. They're not going to buy your program, they're going to buy you. So you need to put yourself out there. Doesn't matter if you don't have a personality, doesn't matter if you feel like you're boring, doesn't matter if you're introverted, because guys, I used to be introverted. I mean, I know it doesn't seem like it, right? But I used to be so introverted. I used to barely speak to people, let alone put myself out in front of a camera, right? So create a personal brand, create a YouTube channel, and create Instagram. These are two biggest social media platforms that you should be using, and you should be creating content. Create 2 to 3 reels a day, create about 2-3 YouTube videos a week, and you will be good to go, right? All you then have to do is send all of that traffic from your YouTube and Instagram to your landing page, okay? Now your landing page should be a funnel and it should have a VSL on there, okay? Your landing page's only job is to convert that traffic into booked calls, okay? Once you start getting booked calls, all you then got to do is show up on those booked calls, right? And close the clients. Now, it is extremely easy for you guys to do this. Literally anyone can do this. As I said, I have a 16-year-old client in my program doing this. So there's honestly no excuses. A lot of you guys can make some serious money simply just by starting this business model. And as I said earlier, if you charge $5,000, you only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. Imagine if you were to get 10 clients a month, right? You'll be making 50 grand a month. Guys, there are so many people doing this. Like I said, my client who's 16, he's making money. My client that's 21 is making money. I've got other people on my program. There are other people in the industry doing this as well. For example, there's a person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He's making around 80 grand a month. There's a person teaching people how to get a 6-pack. He's making around 160K a month. Again, it's the easiest business model that any of you guys can do. This is the new way of making 10K a month. It is the simplest way to make 10K a month online, and it is the most beginner friendly way to make 10K a month. And again, if you guys need any help starting this online business, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know more information on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.